I'm standing alongside two beautiful examples of European exotica courtesy of the Jerry Brewis collection, a McLaren 620R and a Lamborghini Aventador. Now, I've heard it said that all European supercars look very similar, but here's visual evidence that that's not really the case. Now, in terms of aerodynamic flow, McLaren have always preferred a very organic flowing nature to their car's bodywork, and in sharp contrast, Lamborghini, well, they've always opted towards a very sharp, angular design to their car. Now, is one aerodynamic treatment better than another? Not necessarily so, and providing both schools of thought are kept separate, then both will produce consistent airflow along the flanks of the car. Along with its striking exterior, the Lamborghini also features a very striking interior. That is courtesy of the Ad Personam program, whereby the customers can, to a degree, design the interior of the car, including that very vivid colour. A Lamborghini and McLaren, two very individual designs, and yet two designs that are united by a quest for excellence.